Companies that manufacture a product need to balance three goals that will often conflict with one another. Customizing products to meet their customer needs, filling orders quickly, and keeping costs low. Let's take a look at these three different manufacturing strategies that can help you to manage the trade-off and find the right balance for your supply chain. Let's begin. We'll use the example of buying a car to show how each of these manufacturing strategies work. Imagine walking into a dealership and looking at one of the cars on the showroom floor. That car actually inventory or stock that was manufactured using a make-to-stock production strategy. With a make-to-stock strategy, you manufacture products in advance, so you have them ready for a customer to buy, and you can keep manufacturing costs low and provide customers with short lead times because you are planning ahead. But the drawback is that it's often hard to predict how much your customers are going to buy, and when they are going to buy it. As a result, you end up carrying inventory, which eat up working capital for your business and increases your overall operating costs. Now, let's say that you want a car that isn't in the showroom. You want your car to be red, compatible with the luxury package. Instead of carrying every possible configurations for the car in their inventory, the dealer can use a make-to-order production strategy. With make-to-order strategy, the factory will have all the parts ready, but they wouldn't assemble your specific car until they have received an order. And because they are making that products for a particular customer, they can tailor it to their exact preferences. Make to order reduces the cost of holding on to inventory, but it means that your customer will need to wait a little longer. Waiting is bad because sometimes customers need the product right away, so they might decide to buy it from one of your competitors instead. Also, with a make-to-order strategy, it can be harder to plan your production schedule, which could end up increasing your manufacturing costs. Now, let's say that you want some really special modifications to your car, like installing a race car engine. Now, the third manufacturing strategy is engineer-to-order. With an engineer-to-order strategy, the product is totally customized. So you can't buy the parts in advance, and you can't start producing the products until you receive specifications from your customers. An engineer-to-order strategy usually has the longest lead time and the higher cost, but your customers get exactly the products that need, and you don't spend money on inventory. Every manufacturer uses a combination of make-to-stock, make-to-order, and engineer-to-order in their supply chain. When you use the right production strategy to manage the trade-off in time, cost, and customizations, you can design a supply chain that aligns with your customers' needs and maximizes the profits for your operations. Alright, that's the end of my sharing in today's video. Once again, my name is Vivienne, and I see you in the next video.